Hello, welcome back to another video about Python in Excel. This is the second video about image processing. In the first video, I showed you how to load the data using Power Query. We then decoded the images using the base64 library. And this was the result from the last video. So I've just displayed the image resolutions here. You can see these are very high res images, this one not so much. And some of them are rectangular and some of them are square. Now what I want to do is I want to make them all the same size. In fact, I want to create thumbnails from each of these images. And it turns out that that is actually very easy using Python. So let's have a look at how to do that. On this sheet, I've defined a few cells for the width and height of the thumbnails that I want to create. And in this cell, I will show you how it's done. So first of all, we need to get that width and height. So we'll do that with target. We'll set a variable, target resolution, and we will create Excel and select those two cells. So to convert that into an array, we use .values. Now that will return a two-dimensional array. And for what we're about to do with this, we need a one-dimensional array. So to change that, we just use .flatten on the two-dimensional array. The next thing is to note that the method that we're going to use to create thumbnails changes the images in place. So we want to create a deep copy of the images in order to not modify the original images. So we're going to do that like this. I'll create a new list called thumbnails, which is list comprehension. And for each image, we're going to make a copy of the image for image in images. Images is the original list. Next, we are going to use the image.thumbnail method. And the first argument to the image.thumbnail is the resolution, which is a tuple or some kind of two-element array. So that's my target resolution, which we created above. And the second optional parameter is a filter, which is used to downscale the images. Now, the default filter is bicubic, which is good. It's faster, but it's not quite as good as the one I'm going to use, which is called image.lanczos. So I'm going to, for each image, for image in thumbnails. So that is modifying the image in that thumbnails list in place using this thumbnails method. Finally, I want to display what I've done. So image, and then I'm going to unpack the size of the image. That asterisk means unpack the tuple into separate elements. And for image in thumbnails. So this is just going to display the thumbnails that we've just created and their sizes in the grid. And that's it. You can see that they have all been reduced in size, but the aspect ratio has retained the original aspect ratio. So this is 150 width by 200 height. This is a square. This was originally a square, so it's still a square. So is that. This one is still rectangular, but the maximum dimension is 200. And similarly here. So that's it. That's how you create thumbnails with Python in Excel. Super easy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.